Welcome to the detailed implementation guide brought to you by AppMelodies, your go-to channel for creating captivating mobile experiences. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of building your very own piano app using Android Studio with Kotlin. Step 1. Setting up your project. To begin, open Android Studio and navigate to File, then New, and select New Project. Choose a name and location for your project, then select the Empty Activity template. Ensure Kotlin is selected as the programming language. Click Finish to create your project. Step 2. Enhancing user interface with theme modification. To refine your app's interface, customize the theme by navigating to res values themes.xml. Locate the app theme section and transition to theme.appcompat.no action bar for a cleaner interface. Step 3. Fine-tuning button styles. Customize button styles by adding specific code within the themes.xml file. Enhance visual aesthetics and functionality with tailored button styles for a captivating user experience. Implement the key button style and sharp key button style to meet your design requirements. Step 4. Color enhancement. Ensure a visually appealing interface by updating colors.xml with essential color values. Establish hexadecimal values for black and white to maintain consistency in design. Incorporate these colors throughout your app for a harmonious and captivating user experience. Step 5. Download source code and resources. Visit the provided link to download the zip file containing drawable resources for your app. Extract the contents to proceed. These resources will be essential for the visual elements of your piano app. Step 6. Adding tones. In Android Studio, create a raw folder by right-clicking on the res folder and selecting New Android Resource Directory. Choose raw as the resource type. Copy tone files from the downloaded folder into the newly created raw folder. This step adds essential audio elements to your app. Step 7. Adding drawable files. Copy drawable files from the downloaded folder and paste them into the drawable folder in your project. These files will be used for visual elements such as keys and backgrounds in your piano app. Step 8. Adding layout code. Copy the activity_main.xml file from the downloaded folder and paste it into the layout folder in your project. This file defines the layout of your app's main activity, including the arrangement of keys and other elements. Step 9. Adding source code. Copy the main.activity.kt file from the downloaded folder and paste it into the appropriate location in your project's source code. This file contains the Kotlin code that controls the behavior of your app, including handling user interactions and playing sounds. Step 10. Running your app. After customizing everything, run your app to see your changes in action. Click the green play button or select Run from the top menu to launch your piano app using Android Studio with Kotlin. Test the app on a connected device or emulator to ensure it aligns with your desired user experience. Congratulations! You've successfully created an awesome piano app using Android Studio with Kotlin, ready to mesmerize users with its harmonious melodies. Stay tuned for more exciting app development guides from AppMelodies.com. Happy coding!